don't get too many of these in here at Unique, especially in classics. When we do, they don't usually last too long. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible. Now, this particular car looks much the way it did when it would have came from Ford back in 1964. Ragoon red car, paint code J is a 76B for the style of it. So this would be the Falcon Futura Sports Convertible, which makes it a bucket seat car. Still has bucket seats in it now. An 85 interior trim code, so it does have the red vinyl interior. 170 inline 6 underneath the hood. If you want to check out the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the chrome, grille, headlight surrounds. Now, paint in this car. It does show its age. It's an older paint, and as you can see, there's imperfections here or there. This is one of those cars. You want to take it to the next level. The interior's nice, the engine bay is nice, the underside looks good. So drive it the way it is. Don't worry about the paint. Or if you wanted to put a new paint job on it, could also do that. We're going to have it priced accordingly to the condition of the car. So either way, that would be up to you. Top is newer on it also. It's a white vinyl top. It is power, functions properly, does go up and down on its own, works as it should, and we'll check that out at the end of the video. Something interesting about this car that you don't see a lot of either: 4-speed manual transmission. And yes, that is the way this car was ordered, and you can tell that by the door tag also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the chrome and the bright work also shows well on this car. But again, paint does not have a high gloss to it. There's some kind of staining in it. A few chips on the driver's side over here. But again, it's one of those. Get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Drive it the way it is, or if you want to put a fresh paint job on it, feel free to do that too. And again, check out the still pictures so you can see the condition of the underside of this car, the trunk, the interior, the engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire it up too, let you hear it run. Seems to be a smooth running car. And now, as far as the interior, let's take a look at that. So you can see door panels, nice shape. Of course, here's the data tag, door tag that you're going to see in the still pictures. Carpeting appears that it has been redone in this car in a nice shape. Same with the vinyl. A little bit of wear right down here on this side and slightly on the other side. But again, overall, vinyl nice shape, and you can see it with the top up in the still pictures. You can see the vinyl on the top is also in good shape, and we're going to run it up here at the end of this video too. Do a quick little walk around before we wrap it up. But if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, feel free to. Power top switch does work. Horn works. Wipers work. Radio worked. Up here the fuel gauge did too. Let's go ahead and start it up. Check it out. How easy that starts. There's your fuel gauge going up. Blower fan does work also. Switch that off. Let's try the radio. Again, AM radio. You can hear that. Also working. Just a local station here. Alright, let's make sure we're neutral. Alright. So nicely that door closes too. There it is. There's that 170 inline 6 running. Chugging right along. Alright, I'm going to come up here, pause this one quick second. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay. There you go, hood popped. And again, nice and tidy. Nice clean engine bay. Looking very stock. Smooth runner. Alright, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut this down, close up the hood, we'll run that top up, and continue the end of this video, and let you take a look at the top, wrap it up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. So again, white vinyl. So nice it fits above the windshield. Obviously has been replaced from original. Is power. Goes up on its own mechanically just fine. Free of rips, tears, holes. Looks like it is fairly new. As you can see, rear window nice and clear. It's going to serve the purpose, keep you dry, out of the rain, whatever it may be. Obviously the majority of the time probably driving with it down. There it is all the way around it. Looking to get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank? It's a nice convertible to do it with. 1964 Ford Falcon. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consultant or sales associate when you call it.